Jolene got her a new lawnmower today. 24K 54 Husqvarna hydrostatic, 24 horsepower Kawasaki engine. University of South Carolina is her favorite college football team. Clemson's their biggest rival. USC's team colors are mainly burgundy. Clemson's are mainly orange, so she bought her a Clemson orange lawnmower. I'm gonna fix her up. See what kind of reaction we can get. Okay, that was the final touches we needed on this thing. It's officially a Clemson lawnmower now. Let's take it to her and see if she notices.
Really fairly quiet open.
Hey, I filled your lawnmower up with gas. I filled your lawnmower up with gas. You coming to cut grass or not?
What's he doing, huh? Oh, what is wrong with you? You want to mow the yard, don't you?
You notice anything new about your lawnmower?
I do. What? No, the hell you didn't. Oh, no! Get that shit off of there. Well, I reckon you just bought this lawnmower.
Your lawnmower.
No.
Hey, cover that scratch up with something.
Not a damn Clemson paw.
Watch your language. It's going to be on YouTube.
Well,